Take a seat. Straighten your back up and out of your pelvis. Your neck is an extension of your back. Your head rests on your neck. Place your hands on your thighs or let them lie together in your lap. Relax your shoulders. Draw your attention to your belly. Feel your breath. Notice how your belly rises and sinks with your breath. How does your breath feel? Is it deep or shallow? Fast or slow? Easy or heavy? Don't change your breath, just feel it as it is. Now consider your whole body. How are you sitting right now? Feel the contact between your body and your seat, on your buttocks, on your thighs. Where do your feet first touch the ground? Be fully aware of all the signals your body gives you. Maybe you feel pressure, or heat, or maybe cold, an itch here or there, or you simply feel relaxed. Whatever emerges, try to give it your full awareness. Maybe even briefly name it. After you release it, try to notice what surfaces next in your mind. Try to be fully aware and notice every single body sensation. Accept each one and release each one. Are you still sitting upright? If not, bring yourself back to the seated position you assumed at the beginning. Be fully aware of your body from one moment to the next. Now, as the meditation ends, draw your attention to the outside world once again. If you'd like to, stretch and move your body in whatever way feels good to you.